Aje bana, huko ni Kangemi, hii ni Jaba tunachambua. Tuko Hera hapa, huko ni Senti.
Hello Lola Nation, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be exploring the informal settlement that is called Kangemi. Now, this is as a continuation of the last, if you have not watched it, the last video which we did about a suburb estate called Mountain View right here. And the thing about it is that a lot of the organization in Kenya, the urban organization in Kenya, usually how it happens is that each and every suburb, a lot of the suburbs are, you know, side by side with an informal settlement. So Kangemi is just behind Mountain View Estate, and Kangemi is considered to be more or less in the league of a slum, and it's considered also to be one of the 6th largest slums right here in the country. So today, me and my friend Joy Liz, a fellow YouTuber, are gonna be exploring Kangemi with you.
Aje bana, huko ni Kangemi, hii ni Jaba tunachambua. Tuko Hera hapa, huko ni Senti. Jaba ya mkopa hapa kwenyewe sasa.
Kashike. Kama hii inaweza kuletea doo ngapi leo hivi? Kusini ya kuuza? Oh, mse akitaka inaitwa nini? Chewing gum. Hiyo gomba. So hii ni life yako kabisa. Inakulisha na kulipia rent, everything. Wanaweza show. Nice. Guys, this is cut. This is fresh cut being handled right here. Hii itakuwa imeisha by leo. Wase wanaikula sana. Aha. Sawa sawa basi. Joy, how was that interaction?
Okay, that was good.
Yeah.
You know, these people are very socializing. We were in the estate over there. Did you see us talking to anybody? No, we didn't. And it's not as if they don't also want to talk. It's because everyone is closed. They've closed their gate. No one is even outside in the first place. So I feel like Kangemi is full of life.
Yes, these people do anything and everything to just be happy. And they are easy, they are welcoming people. And that's why I love areas like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like, they're full of life and everybody's minding you. Like those guys, they were, in fact, they're even ready to show us more of this place. Guys, this is so much amazing. Drop a comment, let's know what you think about this area.
Yes, the comparison, the dynamics of where we are from and where we are at right now. Can you feel the difference in the air? Let us know.
Drop a comment.
Now, Kangemi is classified as an informal settlement, but over time, the place is changing quite so fast, and this is because of its proximity to areas like Westlands and the other side, which is Ngong Road, where development is coming in real fast. So Kangemi being in between and being considered a slum is adapting to the changes so fast because the urbanization is moving towards these particular areas. So just to characterize why Kangemi is called an informal settlement, this is because it's a residential area characterized by inadequate housing, lack of basic services, and overcrowding, which is more or less typical of a slum. So these areas like Kangemi are typically home to low-income residents who have migrated to cities in search of employment or better opportunities. As a way to improve the lives of a lot of slum dwellers and even just the areas where they are in, former President Uhuru Kenyatta did introduce a slum upgrading program that went on for close to 4 or 5 years, whereby sanitation was improved in a lot of these areas. Clinics were introduced in a lot of these areas, that is just access to healthcare, and the roads were improved also, and even the access roads, which were quite neglected, curb roads were laid down, and sanitation generally was looked into, that is drainage, because some of these areas, especially when it rained, there were places you could not wish to really access. So that was just part of the slum upgrading program agenda, which former President Uhuru Kenyatta worked on, which really improved the outlook of a lot of these slums. The Kangemi area is situated just along Waiyaki Way, which is now an expressway, and it has opened up the area to a lot of business opportunities and the rise of residential areas, improving the quality of life here. Now, this Kangemi area is just situated right behind the main road. So once you access this particular place, you'll realize that activities are ongoing. They do have a market, And a lot of the shops that you see here, the retail shops, are connected to residential houses. So that means there's a high probability that where you see a shop, the owner of that particular shop lives just right behind that business. So guys, this has been Kangemi area. I hope you enjoyed the tour. We've come to the end of this particular video. I have taken Joy Liz around 2 areas in the same place, and that is Mountain View and Kangemi. And now here we are at Kangemi. We are ending the video here. Joy, were you happy?
No, I'm very much excited. I feel like I'm home.
Oh wow, okay.
I feel home, like you feel so interactive. You're interacting with people. People are so loving, and then guys, people are minding their own business. Did you hear me? Like what they are focusing most is to get a living, to earn a living, you know guys. So that is something that I've seen here. And also the place is not looking bad, by the way.
It's a nice
I don't know why you are saying it's a slum.
You know, the government recently put down the curb roads and the tarmac road. So it looks a well-kept place, but statistically it's considered a slum.
But I hope soon it won't be, because I can see the roads are good. Or what does it take for a place to be a slum, guys? Because I don't really understand. You've watched the video and I hope you've seen everything. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. This area should not be a slum. Maybe just the kind of buildings, you know, architectural designs that are here, houses. We can say they are old. Some of them are old, but that doesn't mean it's looking bad. So I feel so good. I feel excited. Thank you so much for taking me around.
You're welcome.
And guys, please support her. Subscribe, like, you know, share the videos, guys.
Please do the same to Joy Liz. Go subscribe, support her, leave a comment, let her know that you love her, you know, send her greetings from my channel. And we are still doing this again, Joy. This is not the last time you're seeing her face. I promise you.
You'll be seeing me. I'm almost owning this channel.
So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Also leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Please, the first thing you do, just leave a thumbs up if you like this particular video. But from me, enjoy today. It's bye-bye.
Bye for now.